In this video, my dad will be using the Philips air fryer to make a Basque burnt cheesecake. The first step was to lightly oil a baking pan, then double line it with baking paper. Once that was done, he tied down the baking paper with a kitchen string to prevent it from hitting the heating element. This cheesecake is easy to make and only requires 5 ingredients. First, we'll be mixing the ingredients together. You can use a mixer or by hand. The first ingredient is 250 grams of cream cheese and then 100 grams of caster sugar. And then we mixed it until it was smooth and creamy. Make sure it has no lumps. Then slowly mix in 3 eggs. Make sure you do it one at a time. The next ingredient is 125 milliliters of whipping cream. Slowly pour that in. Now you have to mix it until you are sure there's no lumps. Slowly sift in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Once there are no traces of the flour left, your batter is ready. Transfer the cheesecake batter onto the baking pan. Make sure to tap the baking pan to remove all air bubbles. Next, we preheated the air fryer for 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Carefully place the baking pan in the air fryer and then air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. The last step was letting it cool before leaving it in the refrigerator overnight. After being removed from the fridge, the cheesecake will deflate and look much flatter. We cut the kitchen string and carefully remove the cheesecake. Overall, it looks pretty well cooked. The cheesecake was easy to make and had the perfect mixture of a burnt exterior and a creamy interior.